I'm Patty, and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today we're making cheese bombs. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a refrigerated tube of biscuits. I'm using the 10. You can use the Grand's 8, but then over here I've got some pepper jack sticks. You can use mozzarella, string cheese or something. You want to cut it up into pieces to fit your biscuit. Now preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Bring this over here and flatten it out. I probably got it too big, but no. Pinch it together. Then put them seam side down. Never made these, so this is the virgin voyage of these, but they look good. I wanted to do the pepper jack. Alright, I'm going to finish these up, and then I'm going to put these in the oven. They're going to cook about 10 minutes, but I'm going to bring you back to get ready for the next step or whenever they come out of the oven. So we'll bring you right back. Alright, I've got a half a stick of butter that I've melted in the microwave. I'm going to add to this a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Not my head. And I'm just going to mix this up well. And as soon as I get out of the oven, what I don't make a mess of, I'm going to brush this all over it. So I'll bring you back when these are out the oven. Alright, I got these out the oven. They exploded, of course, but that's alright. I'm making these tonight, and I'm also making pasta with bolognese sauce, but you won't see that till 2 days later or whenever. You will see this one first. Alright guys, our cheese bombs are done. And I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. When you do, hit the bell notification. You'll be notified every time I upload a video, which is normally every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. Give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment. Don't forget to share it on your social media. Alright guys, bread's done. Bye.
Oh yeah, bye.